I wouldn't have to see myself in the mirror. Oh, we're really getting to know each other.
Well, if that's everything for today.
No, it looks like we have one more item on the agenda.
Oh, this better be good.
Well, if we're being candid, we think we could help save the company millions of dollars.
Well, we do like money.
Well, go ahead, but make it quick.
For the past 70 years, every employee at the company has had one thing in common.
Now,
they've been human.
Now, we know what you're thinking.
Is it robots?
No, it's not robots.
What we're talking about here
Is
birds.
Oh.
Okay, now, remind me, what again are birds?
Sure.
Good question.
Birds are like dogs or cats, but with wings and can fly.
Oh, yes. You know, I think my wife Callista saw a bird recently.
Oh, wonderful. So, where can we hire some birds?
Oh, hire some birds? Like who?
Big Bird?
Can't fly.
Larry Bird?
Retired.
Bird Reynolds.
Oh? Lives in Hawaii. But anyway, we thought we could save the company a lot of money if we
Turn some current employees into birds.
We do like money.
But who? I'm a man. I won't be a bird.
No, thank you.
Well, sirs, we were thinking that, well, Linda and I, we could be your birds.
Okay, and, this would be... Oh! Majestic.
We think so too.
Yeah.
This would be good for business. How?
Oh, well, for starters, we could perch on the windowsills of rival companies and steal their secrets.
Secrets make me feel devilish. Good devilish.
Plus, we could make rival companies jealous with our beautiful plumage.
Stealing company secrets and making them jealous with beauty? Why, that's like killing two things with one stone.
But let's talk about what you really care about.
Money.
We think this speaks for itself.
We do like money.
I've heard enough. Make yourselves into birds, partners.
Oh, thank you so much.
And with two birds like you around the office, 2008 is going to be a wonderful year for Lehman Brothers.
Shortly after becoming birds, Mike and Linda invented subprime mortgage-backed securities. These assets proved toxic and nearly destroyed the economy. Never turn your employees into birds.